Now, big win for Nepal. First huge T20 international win against, you guessed it, the West Indies. Absolutely incredible. That was the first T20 international. It's a series of three, remember, so the series is not done and dusted. But well done to them. Getting rewarded for playing consistent, good cricket over the last few years, not getting a lot of opportunities against the bigger teams. They got 148 for 8 and West Indies 129 all out. I've always respected Nepal. Lots of fantastic cricketers come from there. I played with, I never know how to pronounce his name 100% correct, Lamichiane, Lamichane, I'm not sure. I saw him at the IPL, played with him in the Big Bash League as well for Brisbane Heat. Fantastic guy. He's from Nepal, and I'm pretty sure he'll be very happy with his country's great performance here in this T20 international, guys. It's nice to see the associate teams do well. And remember, all of this action you can get on Fan Code. Do not miss any of that. And right at the end, hang on to the end because there is a surprise package for you. If you are a Fan Code user, you'll want to stick around.